Good morning, dear student. In this video, we'll discuss about various order list and unordered list of HTML. So, list tags are OL and UL. OL stand for order list and UL stand for unordered list. HTML support order, unordered, and definition list. UL and unordered list. This will list item using plain bullets. OL and order list. This will use different schemes for of number of list your item. DL a definition list. This arrange your item in the same way as they are arranged in a dictionary. Next is HTML unordered list. An unordered list is a collection of related items that have no special order or sequence. This list is created by using HTML UL tag. Each item in the list is marked with a bullet. An unordered list start with the UL tag. Each list item start with LI tag. You can use type attributes for UL tag to specify the type of bullet you like. By default, it is a disk. Following are the possible options. UL another type equal to square. So this type of symbol will come in the list. UL type equal to disk. This type of symbol will come in the list. And UL type equal to circle. The circle will come in the list. So this is our another list. So next is in a HTML program, I want to create this type of list. So this is our web page. Suppose I want to display some I have to display some header and so DCA, PGDCA, ADCA, some words I have to represent like this list. Another heading, some list. Another heading, some list. So this type of list, because here dot 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 square 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 circle circle is there, that is no numbering is there, that's why it is known as unordering of list. So we can use the UL tag for unordered list. So how we can create a list type? So the program is written here. So first is HTML slash HTML body. Inside the body, here we have to write the heading. Heading tag is H4. यहाँ पे I use H4. If I don't use anything, then by default the heading will be displayed at size 3. But I mentioned here H4 slash H4. The content here is H4 slash H4. Then UL type is equal to disk. UL type equal to disk. So here S slash S slash S slash S, three words are written, and here type is disk. So before the DCA, PGDCA, and ADCA, a dot 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 symbol will appear. So see here, DCA, PGDCA, ADCA dot 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 is the disk symbol is representing this another list. And another is another heading circle bullet list. The heading is H4 slash H4, and UL type equal to I written circle. So DCA, PGDCA, ADCA. Before that, a circle symbol will represent this list. So this one circle, 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 DCA, PGDCA, ACA, and a circle bullet list the heading H4 size, and square bullet list another is square bullet list H4 slash H4 में लिखा है यहाँ पे, और हम ऑर्डर ऑर्डर टाइप बना रहे हैं यूएल टाइप इक्वल टू स्क्वायर डीसीए पीजीडीसीए डीसीए. सो यहाँ पे तुम्हारा स्क्वायर सिंबल्स है. Okay, so in this way we can represent the list. Okay, so this will produce following output. Then HTML order list. Suppose I want to create a list like this one, same tag, but I have to number this either capital A to Z alphabet or small A to Z small letter alphabet, and or you can write like I double I triple I, or you can write 101 102. So यहाँ पे numbering list, यहाँ पे जो list है वो number है. So here this can be done using order list. Okay, so यहाँ पे in the HTML program, say here. So what is HTML order list? If you are required to put your item in a number list instead of bullet list, then HTML order list will be used. This list is created by using OL tag. The numbering start at 1 and is incremented by 1 for each successive order list element tag with LI. You can display different kind of order list by using the type attribute. By default, it is a number. Following are the possible options. So OL type equal to 1 and default case numeral. OL type equal to capital I, uppercase Roman numerals. OL order list type equal to small a, lowercase Roman numerals. OL type equal to A, lowercase letter, and OL type equal to capital A, uppercase letter. You can use start attribute for OL tag to specify the starting point of the numbering unit. Following are the possible option. So OL type equal to 1, start equal to 4, number start with 4. OL type equal to I, start equal to 4, number start with IB. OL type equal to I start for numeral start with within OL type equal to A start for numeral start with D, OL type equal to A start for numeral start with D. So here the type equal to 1, this is default numerals, type equal to I uppercase no Roman numerals, type equal to small I lowercase no Roman numerals, type equal to A lowercase letter, capital, this is type equal to capital A uppercase letter. So this is the HTML program, HTML body, inside this body heading tag, letter list, then OL type equal to A, BC, MC, M tag, तो यहाँ पे ABCD आएगा, order list में यहाँ पे दिया है, next heading is Roman list, okay, next is Roman list, OL type equal to I, BC, MC, M tag, it will comes Roman I, double I, triple I, and H4 another heading, and type equal to यहाँ पे लिखा है 1, 10 start with 101, so it will start we say 101, 102, 103. So every item in the list is enclosed within the tag I/I. Okay, so letter list BCA MCA MTech, Roman list BCA MCA MTech, and number list see here. So यहाँ पे BCA start equal to मैंने दिया था 101, that's why it start with 101. यहाँ पे Roman letter दिया था I double A triple I, यहाँ पे ABCD. So in this way we can create a order list of a HTML program. Another is your definition list. Okay, HTML and HTML support a list style which is called definition list, where entries are linked to it. Entries are listed like in a dictionary or encyclopedia. The definition list is the ideal way to represent a glossary list of terms and other name value for it. Definition list makes the use of the following three tags: DL, define the start of the list; DT, a term; DT, term definition; DL, define the end of the list. So document of HTML head, title slash title slash head body, DL, DT, B slash B, DT, DT. This stand for hypertext transfer language. Then this stand for hypertransfer protocol. So here, this is the heading and this is the data. This is your definition list. Okay. टाइटल डेफिनेशन बॉडी में क्या लिखेंगे dt html उसके बाद dd डेफिनेशन डाटा डेफिनेशन हेडिंग एंड डेफिनेशन डाटा html आएगा ऊपर उसके नीचे ही आएगा फिर नेक्स्ट वन नीचे html आएगा फिर उसके नीचे ही आएगा दिस इज योर डेफिनेशन लिस्ट okay so what are the attributes you have to use attributes is the list of attributes input tag for creating a text field in the 1 minute in the next video we'll discuss more about definition list thank you